If you're looking for information on the WebWhiz Lifetime deal and review, you've come to the right place. The WebWhiz Lifetime deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this video, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the Lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about the WebWhiz Lifetime deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Custom ChatGPT for your website. Develop an AI chatbot by training ChatGPT with your website data, enabling it to promptly respond to any inquiries from your customers. How it works. We have simplified all the complicated procedures for you. You can now create and train a chatbot for your website with just a few straightforward steps. Add your website. To begin, simply provide your website's URL, and we will automatically retrieve and organize training data. Train ChatGPT on your website data. Based on the parameters you choose, ChatGPT will be trained automatically on your website, and a chatbot will be created for you. Add JavaScript to your website. You can add the chatbot to your website by including a small script tag on your webpage. WebWhiz is purpose-built to be your reliable round-the-clock assistant, exclusively trained on your product data. Seamlessly harnessing your website data, it swiftly responds to customer inquiries, saving you valuable time and elevating the overall customer experience. Embrace the ease of use with WebWhiz, as it requires no coding skills, making it a hassle-free solution for enhancing customer support and taking your website to new heights. Say hello to seamless interactions and satisfied customers with WebWhiz by your side. To create a chatbot for your website using WebWhiz, you can follow these simple steps. Add your website. Just enter your website URL to get started. We'll automatically fetch and prepare training data. Train ChatGPT on your website data. We'll automatically train ChatGPT on your website based on the selected parameters and create the chatbot for you. Add JavaScript to your website. To embed the chatbot to your website, simply add the tiny script tag to your website. WebWhiz will automatically crawl your website, train ChatGPT on your content based on the selected parameters, and create the chatbot for you. You can customize the appearance of your chatbot according to your website theme and fine-tune the results further by training custom data from the project dashboard. WebWhiz is an AI chatbot designed to enhance customer interactions and boost website performance. It is trained on your product data, making it an all-knowing guide for customers. With WebWhiz, you can effortlessly train ChatGPT on your website data and integrate a powerful chatbot into your website without any coding expertise. It is perfect for bloggers, small businesses, and customer support. WebWhiz offers easy integration, customization options, and fine-tuning features to ensure accuracy and personalized interactions. It crawls your website regularly, keeping its knowledge base accurate and aligned with any changes to your site or products. With WebWhiz, you can experience an unparalleled customer support experience and elevate your website's user experience and customer satisfaction.